Alright, here we are feeding the birds and the squirrels before the hurricane. Hurricane Irma. Sit here long enough, you get dozens of birds. Of course, the squirrel has his food over here, but he's over here eating the bird feed. Get over here. Get over here.
We will quickly run out of good weather to evacuate. If you're told to evacuate,
hey,
please get out quickly.
Get over here. This is your food over here.
I'm a dad and I'm a grandfather. I love my family. I can't imagine life without them. Do not put yourself or your family's life at risk. If you've been ordered to evacuate,
if we wait long enough, we'll get dozens of birds here. I think they know something is up. Haven't seen the birds for weeks now. And now we got hundreds. Not hundreds, dozens, sorry.
Irma is more devastating on its current path. Irma has already caused multiple fatalities in the Caribbean.
They even have a little water there.
We are being
drink.
very aggressive in our preparation for this storm.
They have been using it for taking baths too.
Their family. Possessions can be replaced. Your family cannot be replaced. I know it's hard to evacuate. I know it's going to be uncomfortable. I think about my mom.
All right.
How hard it would have been on her to be completely broken.
Stay safe, everyone, in the hurricane. God bless. God protect us all.